we're making Nomato, which is a ketchup that doesn't have tomatoes. We got this recipe from food.com. The first step I really like to do is getting my ingredients out. Here are the ingredients: vinegar, 2 cans of cranberries, 2 cans of canned pears, salt, allspice, cloves, onion powder, sugar, and 2 pounds of baby carrots. Boil 2 pounds of carrots until they're easily mashable with your fingers. It takes about 30 minutes. Make sure to keep checking on them so the water doesn't dry out. Then cool and pot before going to the next step. In a blender, blend together 2 cans of cranberry sauce, 2 cans of pears, now add half a cup of sugar and add your spices. 8 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of allspice, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, and 2 teaspoons of onion powder. Then put your lid on and blend together. Once it's blended, make sure it's not chunky. Get a large bowl, and what you want to do is pour half of it into the big bowl. Make sure there's still some in the blender. Now we're ready for the next step. Take the ketchup in your blender and add 1 cup of vinegar in. Then add your carrots in. Add your lid on and then get ready to blend up your carrots. Now that the carrots are blended in with the other stuff, we're going to add them into the stuff we made at the beginning of this episode. Make sure to stir it well. Then you gotta taste test it. Perfect. You may need to add more vinegar or sugar depending on your taste buds. Finally, take a freezable container and a ladle. With the ladle, scoop your Nomato into the bin. Make sure they're freezable containers because you only want to keep out what you're going to use. Looks delicious. This batch makes a lot. If you don't have enough freezer space, I suggest you cut this recipe in half. Okay?